This visualization looks at the condition of the households of Restaveks in Haiti. It uses data from FAFO and the Haitian Institute of Childhood. The graph on the left shows that the surveyed both urban and rural households. About 60% of the households were surveyed were in rural areas and about 40% were urban. The map on the left shows that the departments where the household respondents lived. The majority of households surveyed were K-Bass, a one-level house made of concrete with sheet iron metal. Most houses in Haiti are small, and more than half of the houses surveyed had only one or two bedrooms. Urban dwellings are even smaller than rural ones. It's more common for an urban household to have one room than two. Lastly, about 90% of all the households surveyed had either a pit latrine or no sanitation facility at all. However, rural houses were a lot more likely to have no sanitation facilities than urban houses. Whereas 32.4% of rural households have no sanitation facilities, only 9.21% of urban dwellings have no sanitation facilities. Some trends to note here: the majority of houses surveyed were K-Bass, one-level house in concrete with sheet iron metal. More than half of the houses surveyed had only one or two rooms. About 90% of the houses surveyed had either a pit latrine or no sanitation facility at all.